Here is contender number 2, which was contender number 1. This is the neighborhood. We are going to go in and see what we think. Here we are in the living room. Shut the door. Here's a linen closet right here, or a coat closet. This is the main hallway. Turn on some lights. This is a bedroom. This is the largest bedroom on this side of the house. 2 windows. Closet. And here's the 3rd bedroom on this side. Closet.
This house has no carpet at all.
It has carpet in that added room.
Oh, okay.
And here is bathroom for these 3 things. Shower, window. Back in the living room.
That's a brand new carpet.
Here's the kitchen.
Yeah, that bookshelf threw me off.
Electric stove. Fairly new dishwasher, garbage disposal, pantries, refrigerator, which does stay. Here's the big sunroom. Views onto this gorgeous backyard. Open this door to go outside, because this is what we would have to do laundry. Come in here. This is the laundry room. That's where the laundry hookups go. Come back outside. Air conditioner, little storage area. Gosh.
Shall be a master.
Yeah, sweet. Now that we know that put on stuff. So this is the other side of the sunroom. 2 doors. One goes to the main dining room or main living room. One goes to this little hallway. We go to this new bathroom. Toilet. Bathtub. Laundry. The master suite / office that was added, which has a little nook here, a larger closet, and a door to the outside. Big window. Built-in brick, and then we are back to the main area, and not to his house. That's what they have.